Looks like Amazon and FedEx showed up today. So today, Amazon and FedEx showed up today, bringing me glorious packages of glorious preparative stuff. And as usual, I want to show you what I got. This first one is from a company called Ranker Tactical. Believe it or not, there's a knife in this box. Let's get it open. I'm going to use one of my knives to open a box that has a knife in it. Huh? Okay, so this is exactly what I expected. Ranker Tactical, if you didn't know, is a brand new company. Right now, they currently have a sale where you get 20% off for almost everything inside the store. So you might want to check it out. I will put a link somewhere in here or down there or something so that you can get to them and check them out. And this is supposed to be the Cold Steel Bushman BD1. These are, it's kind of controversial pocket knives, but they've developed over the years. They're made out of German cryo-crunched 4116 stainless steel. It's like one of the better steels that you can have. They use that steel to make kitchen knives with. It has really good edge retention, and this knife has a very unique locking system. And those are instructions. We don't need those. Warning! The warning, read the whatever. This is actually a very beefy pocket knife, a folder, if you will. This is definitely a two-hander. But as you can see, it's no joke. What's very interesting about this particular knife, and if you're interested, I'll leave you a link below. This is Cold Steel Stainless, as you can see. It's very rigid. There's almost no play in it whatsoever. The blade is razor sharp. And if you wanted to close this knife, you have to actually pull this little thingy back here. There we go. It's just brand new, so it needs to be oiled. And then bend the blade in. There we go. I just have to work it in. It's really tight. This is a spring-loaded actuator back here that actually puts tension on the entire blade so that when you open it, that's the locking mechanism back there. And then when you close it, you have to pull it. You have to pull it and put the blade in like that. It's definitely not a flicker opener type knife. I can feel where you might be able to loosen it up a little bit, but everything is held together by screws. Yeah, I like it. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below and you guys can check it out. If you're on the TikTok side, go to link in my bio, Trusted Products, and yeah, I'll put something in there. I'll put something down below. And I might as well keep this open to open another package. The next package is actually from Parcel Safety. Parcel Safety is one of the you don't even need a knife to open that, is a company that deals mostly in what we would call gas masks. This is the PA1 filter set. It'll filter all the way down to 0.3 microns, which is more than enough for a gas mask or field protective mask to enable you to get out of that radioactive buffer because you didn't get burst into flames when it went off. But anyway, this is going to be these are going to be my backup filters. The mask and the filter that comes with it are on its way. I will put something up there for you to check out. These filters will fit 3 different types of masks and filter out 95% of particulates, like I said, down to the 0.3 micron level. If you're interested in actually seeing what these things will filter out, watch this. Okay, so obviously there's no reason to buy $500-$600 gas masks or field protective masks. I hate that term, gas mask. All right, now that you've seen all that, it is what it is. When more stuff comes in, I'll tell you what I got. I'm going to be making some videos about these different products so that you have a better idea of what you're getting into. And I think that's all I wanted to say.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.